Hey everybody, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, and in today's video we're going to do a quick unboxing and review of the new cases by ArmadilloTek. Now these are for, as you can see, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and I'm so happy I finally got my Note 10 Plus. Bam, there we go. I like that. Look at that color. Man, been waiting a long time for it, but it finally made it in, and I'm loving it. So looking for some cases for it. And we got cases in from ArmadilloTek. Now, if you're interested in these cases, we going to leave a link for you down in the description area. You can pick them up off of Amazon. They're very affordable, and they're about $20 a piece. Shout out to the guys from ArmadilloTek. Come to find out, they're in Texas too, like me. So what's up to Texas? So anyway, we got our cases here. We got them in a couple of different colors. We got the black, and we have the blue. It's that blue and gray. Also comes in an orange and gray. So there's three different colors. Pick them up off of Amazon. Again, we'll leave the links down in the description area. And so let's check out the blue one right off. And so we're going to open it up and see what's inside. Set the case to the side here and open this up here. And it looks like, oh yeah, right off we got a piece of paper in here. And this is just a thank you note from ArmadilloTek. We're going to set that there. And of course we got our main piece of the case here. We're gonna set that there. And we got a little card here from ArmadilloTek, and it's letting you know how to set up the case, pros and cons of it. And a card here saying that they're donating part of their profits to the children of UNICEF. So we're gonna put that to the side there. And of course we have the styrofoam come with it. And so this is a two-part case, and as you can see, it's light blue, nice color. Kind of goes with the way the Note 10 Plus is looking now. It's a two-piece case. This goes on the inside over here, like so. And again, the case is blue with gray. So that's pretty nice coloring combination. As you can see here, nice texture on the side there of the case. Good to grip with. And of course, you got your cutouts at the top. And if you look at the bottom, you got your cutouts for your pen, also speaker grill, mic, and for your power port there. And of course, this is the rugged case, heavy duty. Also too, if you look at the back, like I said, it's easy to hold. And the thing I like too here, they got the Armadillo branding there. And this is a kickstand also that you can pull out, where you can set it down to do like I do. I like to watch a lot of movies or watch a lot of YouTube videos, and you just pull it all the way out. Pull it all the way out like so, and it sits there. But we're going to try it out on our phone real quick. So we're going to pull up the kickstand, snap it back in there, set that down. And so again, we have the Note 10 Plus. Beautiful phone. Look at that, man. And so what you would do to put the phone in the case, you would take this top piece here, line it up with your port. So the bottom of this shows like so, which goes over where the power port is there. And that just snaps down on top of that. And also, if you know too, with the Note 10 Plus, there's already a screen protector on there. And so you can use that for a while until you get tired of it, and then add your own screen protector to it. But anyway, that fits, snaps down in there, covers up over the buttons. Nice spots right there. Of course, your openings there for your ports, and at the top. Then you take the main case here and you put it in the bottom first, like so, and it just pops in, and you just pop it all the way in, all the way around, and it fits in there very nicely. Too, as you can see, I have my little snow falling on my live wallpaper there. And again, like I said, it feels good in the hand. It doesn't feel like it's gonna slip out, so your hand get a little wet or greasy from lotion or something like that. You don't have to worry about that. You will lose grip of the phone. And test out your buttons. Of course, there's your power button, or you can turn on the screen and your volume up and the volume down. And of course, are your ports. Here's a little door right there over your USB-C port. That mashes right back up in there easily, protects that from getting dirty. Of course, for your S Pen, your speaker grill. And of course, there's no buttons on this side of the phone, which is something I got to get used to. But man, this is a nice case, nice case. Has the indentation there at the top. And so it fits it very snug. And as you notice, it's very good on protection. See, it has like a little lip here and there. So in case you drop it, it won't hit face down automatically. It has a little bit of lip on it to where it won't hit the ground directly. And the big test too is check to see if it works with the wireless charger. So we're gonna stick. So now we're gonna put our phone on our PSR wireless charger, and when the light comes on the wireless charger, it will show that it is charging properly. And as you can see the blue light coming on the phone, and the animation on the phone that when it came on, it showed that it is charging properly. So this is a great looking case. And again, this is the ArmadilloTek case, and this is the blue one. So we're gonna take this off real quick and try out our black case. So okay, let's open up the black one. Again, this is the ArmadilloTek in black. Nice boxing with itself, got a little military design there. And of course it says it's a military graded case. So we open it up again, set it to the side, open it up here. Of course, we have another thank you note for the guys at ArmadilloTek, and pulling out the styrofoam. This is the top piece to the phone, or top piece to the case rather. Set that there, and this is the main body of the case. Of course, we got another ArmadilloTek card, instructions again on how to use it, benefits of it, and that they're making a donation to the children of UNICEF. And of course we have the ArmadilloTek brand in there, and this is the kickstand that opens up, snaps, pulls out. You can extend the leg out to where it looks like so, lock it in place. You can set up your case. Nice design on the back. You have your texture there, good for gripping on both sides. And if you can see along this grip on this side here, it has there, this is the name of this particular style of case. This is the Vanguard case. And of course you got your buttons, your power button per se, power / Bixby button, and the volume up and down. Of course, no buttons on this side. Got your cutouts here for your S Pen, your speaker grill, mic, and of course your power port, and some other openings up here at the top. Making that we have our ArmadilloTek branding inside. Of course, this is like I said, this is a rugged case. So you got the honeycomb tape shape design inside of it. So it's pretty sturdy, definitely sturdy. So it's going to be able to withstand any drops. This is a military grade case. So we're going to set that there. We're going to grab our Note 10 Plus and get a little length there. And we're going to grab the top piece is this here. Of course, you need to line it up to where you got your cutout there for the bottom for your power cord there, for your USB-C. Of course, it just snaps on the top, like so. You got your buttons on the sides. Again, the cutouts, top and bottom. And then you take your main part of the case and then you just pop it into the bottom here. That snaps in. And you just go right up and snap it in. And right there at the top, get it all in there. So that's nice. That's a nice, very nice case. Good grip. Don't have to worry about dropping it. Like we said, your ports, your cutouts, power port there. Got the little lip there. You can close it up. Make sure you don't get no unnecessary lint in there. Again, we got the texture here on the side for better grip. Power button, Bixby button, volume up and down. So yeah, we got it all in there. It looks good. The phone looks excellent. The case looks great. And so this is a very, very, very nice case. I like it a lot. Got those reinforced corners. So, you know, most of the time you drop your phone, that's what it's going to do. Hit a corner and bounce. So this is a rugged case, good to go. I like it a lot. So that's about it for our video for today. This was a quick unboxing of the ArmadilloTek Vanguard series case. Again, this comes in black, comes in blue, and orange, about $20 off of Amazon. So hopefully we shared something that you can use and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and hit the like button. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that bell icon too, so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. Again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.